Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. So sometime you forgot your password and you didn't remember your email or phone number. At that time you can use this method and you can recover your Facebook account. So for this one you have to open your browser, open google.com, and then here you have to type accessing and downloading. Click on this link. You have to click on account access troubleshooting. Tap on next. From here you have to choose the first option, my account has been hacked. Click on next. And then here you will see secure it by going to help center. Click on it. Now you will reach here. You will see first option, I think my Facebook account was hacked or someone is using it without my permission. Click on it. And then you have to click on get started. Here you will see the first option. If you think that your account was hacked, we can help you recover it. Click on someone else gained access to my account. Scroll down and then here you will see the next option. Are you able to log into that account? Click on this. Yes, I can still log in. And then here a link will appear, facebook.com. Click on it. Click on my account is compromised. You have to select your Facebook account and then you have to choose a second option, someone else got into my account without my permission. Click on it. Click on continue and then you have to click on get started. Now you have to wait for a while and then here option will appear, keep your account secure. You have to click on continue. Now Facebook will ask you to provide a new password. You can enter your new password. So in the same way you can also recover your Facebook forgotten password without phone number or recovery email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos. Thank you for watching.